this game, all you need, we're gonna make our own bean bags first. So, some rice.
You don't need that kind of rice.
And
A bag.
a Ziploc bag. You come to, you just pour the rice into the bag, seal up your bag, and you just made yourself your own bean bag. Bernie's bag, you can see here,
It popped.
popped. So to solve that problem, I just took some duct tape here, lay out one strip, and then bring it around the bean bag so that it ends up. Where's the other bean bag?
In my bucket.
Grab it so you can.
So that it ends up looking like that, so that that doesn't happen.